Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we need to scroll and find the sounds and vibration. So here all we need to do is to tap on the ringtone. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. They are pre-installed. At the top we've got the option silent, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And here in the right upper corner we've got this plus icon, so we can enter our own files, and if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear there. So if you wish to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you need to tap on it and decide whether you like it or not. So for example, I would like to set this homecoming, so just mark it and then go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.